videotape. Whatever.
Oh, whoa. She had it. She almost got it. Sophie will sleep a lot better tonight now.
This is her second trip.
He ran 2 batteries on her this morning.
Oh yeah.
She says, that's not fair.
Really hard to tell. Coming along.
She really starts going once it gets low to the ground.
She's a sweetheart. Really good stuff.
I like it. I like Jeff's dogs too. I like the store.
Yoshi?
Is that the name of it?
Yep.
Stuff is falling out.
Well, it's a perfect night for this little color. It's a perfect night. I got my dead stick practicing tonight.
Yeah, and it was on my plane too.
No, the one behind it too. Weren't you paying attention?
What?
Right after you guys got done, another one stalled. He had to land with no engine.
Oh, I wasn't paying attention then.
You forget what happened to that thing?
I don't know. It just died.
Jeez.
Hard to see which way it's going now.
Hey, come on. So